everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a really cool tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to make this portrait neon, and we're going to also add some graphic elements. We're going to make those neon as well. First off, I'm going to grab my pen tool and I'm going to make my graphic elements. I'm just going to make this weird shape. I mean, it's not a weird shape, it's actually like a square. I don't remember how to say this shape in English. Anyways, you have your subject layer, just make a new layer, then draw your shape. We are going to give this path a stroke, and we're going to do that by giving it the stroke of our brush. So we're going to select a hard round brush and we're going to make it small because we want this to be the outline. So I'm guessing maybe like 9, maybe less. Let's go with 6. We want a pretty thin neon start. Anyways, now that we have our brush set, grab your pen tool again, right click on your path and select stroke path. We are going to select brush over here and press OK. It will stroke your path with the brush we chose earlier. Next, we're going to add a new layer. We are going to change our brush to a soft one and increase the size a little bit. Something like this. Yeah, looks kind of cool. We are going to change the color to a neon one. I'm going to go with this sort of pinkish neon. And we're going to grab our pen tool again, right click, stroke path, and you're going to select the brush. There you go. We can now delete our path. We don't need that anymore. Now our white line disappeared. It actually didn't. It's just underneath here. So bring this top layer underneath the other one. And there you go. Double click on your top layer. And we are going to add an outer glow. We're going to choose the color over here. And we're going to choose another pink. Maybe like a little darker one. We're going to select normal. And we are going to play around with the size of this. As you can see, it adds some definition to our line. Yeah. Something like this works for me. Then we're going to do the same thing to our bottom layer. We're going to add an outer glow. Maybe this time, let's make it even a little brighter. Lower the opacity a little bit. Lower the spread. Adjust the sizing. And there you go. Maybe this is a little too dark. Right. Now that's pretty cool. Next, you want to select your neon, right click and convert to smart object. We're going to add a layer mask to this, and you can do that by clicking here. Then we're going to grab our brush tool, and you can just brush away the parts of the neon that go over your subject. If you mess up, like you delete too much, like I did, you can just swap the black and the white, and this will let you paint back, which is pretty cool. This side's done, do the other. The quick command to switch between deleting parts and repainting parts is X. this part goes over, and that's totally fine. Next, it doesn't really match, this neon doesn't really match my subject. So what could we do? We could add an adjustment of a hue and saturation. We are going to select the Colorize. We're going to adjust the saturation to the max, or maybe not the max, but like 70. And you can basically just choose whichever neon color you want. I'm going to go with blue. And yeah, it's done. It's so cool. It's really easy. Obviously, if you spend more time to it, you can add some more highlights and shadows, but mainly this is the basic steps you can do to get something looking like this like really cool neon portrait. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Feel free to subscribe and comment what tutorial you'd like to see next. Also, if you want, you could follow me on Instagram. I post daily on there as well, and I post real tutorials every day. And yeah, that's basically it. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye!